Welcome to Techno Innovation Exhibition, University of.
But this hasn't any detail. This I know it's our. Yeah, this one is a game changer. Because it's through education that we get the manpower that we require to drive our development priorities. It's through our universities that we produce the research and realize the new technologies that we require again to enable us realize both our Vision 2030 blueprint, but also the bottom-up economic transformation agenda.
And in this Techno Innovation Week, we are displaying the talents that we have, especially on how we are able to connect what we do on a daily basis, learning and education, with the technology.